Hello, welcome to another vlog video. I'm sitting in my kitchen, and I am baking something, which is cookies. My first time making my own cookies, so I guess it's kind of a big deal, but it's not really the most complicated thing to do. It's pretty easy and simple, I guess. But I guess I will never know until I make it, right? So, I bought me the cookie mix. I'm not making it like from scratch like most people do. It's an oatmeal chocolate chip cookie mix, and it's from Betty Crocker's. This is what it looks like right here. Yep. And so this is what I got at a local commissary, and you just need butter and egg to mix it with. And then boom, you steer it and all that stuff. So right now, I did steer it. There's some leftovers right there of the dough stuff. And yeah, and right now it's baking in the oven. Yeah, let me see. I don't know if you can see that really well, but it looks like it's baking it in there. It says if you want like a regular size cookie, you leave it in for 10 to 12 minutes. If you want like a large size, really large size cookies, there's like 6 patches in there. So we're gonna see, because it's a kind of a small pan. So, I didn't really put too much on it, and that's why I have leftover dough, which will probably just make some of those and put it in there once I'm done and all that stuff. So I thought, oh, my hair is wacky. Anyway, so this is just gonna be part of this vlog, and so yeah, all right. Hey, so welcome back to another part of a vlog, and this is all in take one video, I guess, of a big vlog video. But I'm waiting for my cookies to get baked, and just sitting here. I'm going to show you a couple of drawings that I've done for Inktober. I'm really late on the whole Inktober thing. I haven't really been too busy to do everyday drawing, but I do try. So I'll show you what I have gotten, and I'll just show it to you in a second. Okay, so here is my drawing. The first one I did for Inktober was just number 3, day 3. Like I said, I'm late, but yeah, I really wanted to do it this year every single day, but I've just been so busy with other things, it's kind of hard to. I did a Sally and Jack fan art type ink drawing with some pumpkins and the Ghost Doggy Zero. Related, you know, why not? It's Halloween, so October theme Halloween, so why not, right? And so I did that. I tried doing a chiffon and scar related fan art type thing. Kind of came out okay, but I think I'm probably gonna have to redraw him more, because I haven't really drawn chiffon so much. So yeah, he was kind of new to me. And Scar too. I mean, I drew him like maybe once, but that was like years ago. So yeah, a bit rusty on that. I used the pink outline in the back first, and then I went over it with a black pen, and then black ink, of course, and some little red to show up a little bit, you know. And then for today, I did this one. This is gonna be yeah, another Inktober drawing, I guess, of my OC character. What's his name? Kira, I think it was. Oh, no, not Kira. Kuroma. And I haven't really drawn him much, so I was like, why not? I'll just draw him. There we go. Zoom out, because he looks a lot better than all. I'm like, what? But yeah, there you go. One of my OCs of which I haven't really drawn in a long time, so I thought I'd draw him out. So yeah, I'm gonna put something else right here, like upside down maybe. So yeah, I don't know. We'll see. Yep. Oh, and here is a old drawing. I'm probably thinking about redrawing. I drew like years ago. My character Ethel. She's like a demon plus angel mix. So I'm gonna actually repaint her, like redraw additionally and see how well she will come out better because I paint differently now. So yeah, that's gonna be something. I just got back in the kitchen. It kind of smells good in here, and it looks like they're done. So I'm gonna go ahead and take them out. And so I'm gonna go ahead and get gloves and set them somewhere. I'm gonna get some these pan gloves. Get one of these hand gloves for the kitchen. Let's go ahead. Hopefully I don't burn myself while holding the phone. So, oh wow, look at that. That looks, I don't know, maybe done. It might need to be in there longer, so I'm just gonna check and see. Kind of like little bubble holes. Yeah, I think they need to be in, oh yeah, they need to be in a little longer. But they are almost done. So I'm just gonna go ahead. It's not perfect though. Yeah, it does need to be in there for a little longer. It says 10 to 12 minutes. It was only in there for 10 minutes. So I'm gonna go ahead and I guess you can kind of say they're done, but they're too chewy. I want them more crunchy. So, and it's still kind of, we'll see. We'll see. I mean, this is my first time, so if I mess up on these ones, I still got some in there. And we'll see if I need to add anything. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and put it back in the oven. Let it cook in there a little longer. See what happens. Alright. I might need to have this up a little harder, I guess, because it's different from the American package and where I am living. So, okay, see you in the next vlog. To the vlog, and here I have, it's really loud. Ignore the noises outside. Here's some anime collection that I have. I'm just gonna do a quick scan here. Yes, I got some what do you call them? Amiibos and stuff. And then I have some manga here. I got tons of manga up there. I'm still collecting manga. I need to get some more space though. And all that jazz. So yeah, it's gonna be interesting to try and get more space in here. And then I got a Naruto wall sticker. There's Naruto there. And Sasuke over here. And then, what's that anime show called again? Prince something? I forgot. And then I got that, but it's not really like a poster, it's like silky. It's like silky, but not like paper, you know? So like, ooh! But yep, quick tour. Just a quick show off, I guess, of my collection. And I got Minions right there. So, yep, there you go, you guys. Okay. Let me know if you want to see anything more, like if you want me to do an up close type thing, like what I really got. I don't know, let me know. And I do got some games and such, so yeah. And all that other crazy stuff, so let me know and I'll show it to you. Alright, if there's anything you want me to get in the future related, also let me know. Alright, see you in the next vlog.